Hello, friends. Welcome to Football Analyst for the match between Eibar and Real Valladolid. अब इसमें मैं क्या क्या कवर करने वाला हूँ दोस्तों. इसमें आपको दिया जाएगा इम्पोर्टेंट टीम न्यूज़, इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेयर न्यूज़, पॉसिबल प्लेइंग 11 जो प्लेयर्स जिनके चांसेस ज़्यादा है ये मैच खेलने के लिए, और सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो टैक्टिक्स अप्लाई करेंगे ये टीम्स. इसके अलावा आपको 2-4 प्लेयर भी मार्क करके दिया जाएगा जो आप अपने लीग्स में यूज़ कर सकते हो ड्रीम 11 पर अच्छी अच्छी टीम्स बनाने के लिए. तो गाइस, इसके पहले हम देखते हैं कि इन दोनों टीमों की रैंकिंग्स क्या है और ये कौन सा लीग खेल रहे हैं. ये खेल रहे हैं जो है ला लीगा, जो स्पेन की लीग है. अब इसमें इनकी रैंकिंग क्या है. आइबार 17th पे है, रियल वैलेडोलिड 18th पर है. दोनों ने 22 गेम खेल चुके हैं और 20 पॉइंट दोनों के हैं. 17वें और 18वें पोजीशन पर है ये दोनों टीम. तो इसमें किसका प्रभाव भारी हो सकता है ये हमें देखने मिलेगा इस वीडियो में. तो व्हाट आई एम गोना बी प्रेजेंटिंग इज which team probably stands an outside chance to win this, which team should have an advantage in terms of records, in terms of stats. So if you take a look at that, we go to the home team. Now the home team has picked up 7 points from 11 games that they've played, which is not something what is backing them. For the away team has picked up 10 points from 11 games, so just a matter of 3 points, which they could hold an advantage. But now if you take a look at the recent matches that they've played, Eibar have defeated Real Valladolid on 2 occasions. 3-1 in the month of July, that was last season, and the most recent was in the month of October with a scoreline of 2-1. Now in that match we had Diop taking a red card for Eibar and Guardiola missing a penalty for Valladolid. How costly that penalty costed them was because Kevin Rodriguez in the last minute, that's the 90th minute before extra time, in normal game time, he scored a goal, and that's where the score changed to 2-1. So you see, anything is possible between these low ranking teams, but I would still go in for Eibar win or a draw. So let's take a look at the first part of this video. Now we got to take a look at Eibar. Sergi Enrich and Kike Garcia should be playing up front. Brian Gill, Yoshinori Muto on the flanks. Then we have Diop and Exposito in the defensive midfield role or central midfield role, with the defensive unit of Arbila, Oliveira, Bigas, Pozzo, Dimitrovic in goal. Now let's take a look at the tactics that could be deployed by Eibar. Now if you look at Eibar, they're very good at set pieces. They use a lot of through balls. They have long shots or long fact, and their attack would be down the left hand side. That would be Brian Gill. Moving on to their goal scorers, we have Kike Garcia with 6 goals, Brian Gill with 3 goals, and assists have been provided by Kike Garcia and 2 assists. That's the max that they've done. So I do not expect at the moment more than 1 goal in this game from this team, from Eibar. So let's move on to Real Valladolid. Real Valladolid should start Wiesmann up front with Plano and Orlana on the wings, Perez in the midfield, Michel and Mesa in the defensive role in the midfield, with Olazar, Perez, Gonzalez and Pablo Hervias in the defensive line. Masip in goal. Let's take a look at their gameplay. What they would like to set up is, again, this team would be playing from the left. That's Plano should be the man who would be in focus. They are good at creating chances, and again, same kind of play with long balls. And let's take a look at their leading goal scorers. We have Wiesman and Wiesman with 3, Orellana, Michel, Oscar Plano with 2 goals each. Pablo Hervias and Oscar Plano with 4 assists. That's all about the contribution from on the goal front from these two teams. Now coming back to my main front, we have Kevin Rodrigues, who was the game winner in the last encounter, listed as doubtful. Correa is out of the game. For Valladolid, we have Olivas out of the game. We have Garcia out. Sosa's out. Janko, Sanchez, doubtful. You have Alcaraz, Emeterio, and Fernandez suspended. Now, so this is an aggressive team, the kind of players that they have suspended. So I do not see much happening from this team. Well, Eibar should have the upper hand. Now, some important news, guys. Out of the last 6 to 7 games, Eibar are winless, and Valladolid are again 5 to 6 games without a win. Valladolid have scored almost in every game in the last 5 to 6 matches. So my prediction of 1-1 or at the most a 2-1 win in favor of Eibar. That's all from my side, guys. You can look me up in Telegram. That's my channel, Football Analyst Fantasy. You can ping me personally at @sandboxplayer. And yes, of course, teams would be coming in my channel. So have a nice time, guys. Till then, see you and be safe.